Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Well, this is a view you never see on the vlog of me walking out of the garage again. It's been a long time. Yeah, don't want to walk out too far. They are ripping down bamboo right now. They got one little mix of concrete they're going to do today for one more parapet wall. So we do have some sand and stone and all bagged over there for one small mix. And then we'll get that barrel and buckets and everything else cleaned up at that point. But it's coming along. It's coming right along. And look at this. So bamboo is coming down here. My goodness, it's coming down. But pretty good rain again last night. See, I'm not moving that camera up. I don't want y'all to see a view of it yet with all the bamboo off. We're gonna save that. Gonna save that video. Okay. It is quiet around here. This is our last day to work. Last day. They're working, but they're quiet and they got long faces. I understand the feeling. I've got a little bit more excitement because I guess I got a little bit more to look forward to. But many of them, the good times, the working together, the knowing money's coming in, is ending today. Yeah. Mop though, good news, he's got a job secured starting Monday morning. So kudos for him, but I understand that he's a dang good worker, man. He's awesome. But there's a lot of long faces. Today is the wrap up on it all. I'm sure they're sad to see us go, but the biggest thing they're sad over is to see the source of income go. And I wish there's something I can do, but that's just how life works out right there. Yeah, how it is. Well, they've been good, and they're still here working. Let me show you. Yeah, doing that last little parapet wall there, and for now we just made a temporary dam for the water. Mike did that yesterday to keep the water from pouring off the side, and we'll cut the drains where it can go into the drains here shortly. Some of you asked, I have roof drains. Well, yes, I do. We've had them fixed up here. You see right here, this water standing, wanting to go in that drain. We've had them fixed like this to not drain yet because we didn't want work debris and stuff going down in those tubes and all that, or something clog them. But they've been vacuuming up and sweeping up, and they got to do a little bit more here shortly when they finish that pour. And then we're gonna cut those pipes down in there flush, and the water will go pouring off of here. Over here as well, let's set these solar panels down. Over here as well, you see this one standing in water. See all the water standing on this end, but it's dry at that end. That's because we got a slope in this roof. A lot of you maybe thought we didn't have a slope, but we do. That slopes down and goes right to those two drains, just like it's supposed to. Now this was cleaned up last night, but they tore the forms off for that parapet wall, and they'll come in here in just a little bit and clean all of this back up again. It's pretty high tide out there today. It is a quiet day. Watching Mel and I prepare our things, there's been a lot of long faces, you know. A lot of long faces. Not trying to be sad here. It's kind of made me sad to see how depressed that they seem to be about us going, you know. Yeah. Bless their hearts. They're a great crew. I'm gonna miss them for sure. I will miss them. I hope that when we come back to finish this place, that many of them can be a part of that again, and help us get this all finished out. We went down and visited our barangay hall and our barangay captain this morning, and she was very, very nice, and one of the barangay counselors there as well. Very nice. And we got our travel passes for our swab test early in the morning, and we got our travel passes just in case we need them. She said we may not, but just for backup, for going to the airport the following morning to fly out of here if the tests come out good. So got that issued to us, and we're going to do a little donation to help buy some food and stuff for the responders that are working and all right now. The barangays, even, you know, with all of this that went on, their budgets are just gone. Whew. Well, the hustle continues. The hustle does continue. We've still steadily working around this place here everywhere. I gave away most of the bamboo off the front of the house to Tuling's family. That's the Ate tribe. They're the native people here, Ate, and all his family are part of the Ate tribe, the natives. And I've been giving them plywood, I've been giving them cocoa lumber and things, but this time instead I've got so much bamboo and I've been giving it to different people. I gave them a bunch, and he's been gathering it up, and they're excited to take that home. Him also, not just him, but when I seen him and his family that's been helping us. Also gave a whole bunch of those concrete sacks. They repurposed those. Kept some for ourselves because those are good if there's an emergency and you need a sandbag. It's good to have those. They're also going to be using them for sand too. So he wanted those, and I was obliged. I gave him some starting all the way back several weeks ago. So that's what's happening there. I'm removing our bed. We're just going to sleep for the next 2 nights on the mattress in the floor. Get the frame out of here. I've got to get room to get both the trucks parked inside. Outside, just work's going on here everywhere. Let me show you. I'm putting some bamboo to reinforce this old roof for one more go around. We thought that we might get rid of it this year, but it is going to be in the latter part of the year. When I say this year, we thought maybe this trip that we would probably be getting rid of it, but we're not. So I've got them sandwiching some bamboo top and bottom there on it to try to lock down that roof. Marvin is disassembling the stairs that we used this whole time, and they're about to come down. They're gonna be gone. Only bamboo left around this place is just these few pieces you see right here, because I'm about to be moving these solar panels. Out here, I've got them cutting bamboo, all same length, and I'm gonna put a tall bamboo fence. I'm gonna put a tall bamboo fence right across there right now. They're digging out a little trench to put it in the ground, and then there's steel coming out of the top of that, where there used to be barbed wire, like razor wire. It used to be across this top around this subdivision, and we're gonna tie onto that good GI pipe, that thick wall pipe that sticks up out of those columns there, and stop those children from climbing over that wall right there and coming into our place. I mean, we're gonna have people here, but man, they do it even with us here, and we have to just scold and go talk to the parents, and the parents will yell at them right in front of us, and the parents really don't care. It's just a show, make us go away. Child's right back doing it again. And I don't really have no beef with these children. Just children are children, and I get along with them. But just to solve the problem, we're just gonna put up tall bamboo here. And that's what's happening. Look, our Melinda's got Jonah Lynn, and they're hauling material out. Hey, babe. See, actually, that looks nice. That's what I wanted there. Wish it'd been there the whole time we was here, but I didn't want to buy extra bamboo just to do that. I knew we'd have this left over. Hey, let's don't use that piece there. It's old. That piece there is too old. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. That is gonna, it's gonna look great. I am just running errands to the last day. I'm had to make some stops, water place, get our water jugs that's last filled and bring them home, and that'll be stored. And then I had to go to 2 hardware places I trade with all the time, and one of them for years, and Nolada's, and everybody saying bye to you, you know. A lot of good people here, I tell you, a lot of good people. So yeah, everyone's wishing good trip, and I'm wishing them well the same, you know. It is a wonderful community here. Just look at that. Look at that. Just look from down this street with that tall columns coming up there and all. Wow, that's going to look really great, tall and grand like that. Well, this is about to conclude another day here on the build site. Yeah, the windows are boarded up. The only opening left is the front door and this top floor door right here. And we've got everything sitting there ready to close those as well. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. And I've been up here, still not done, putting all my panels together down on tracks. It's still gonna be temporary again, but I want to keep the power going while we're gone, so I'm getting them all configured here right now and into the combiner box, and then I'll hang that over there in that room, and I'll get my little small 100 and little 50 watt panels that I use on a 12 volt system going as well. And that system's going to keep the batteries I use for my solar pump, keep those hot. And I'm going to use it like a tender also to keep the batteries on my trucks hot also. Keep a charge going and everything. Well, it's been a great day. All the bamboo's gone down below. Just look at that. No more bamboo down there anywhere. I mean, yeah, laying in the yard. And there's bamboo laying in the yard, but there's no more bamboo wrapped up around this house. Look here, poured this little parapet wall here this morning. Looks really great. Went ahead and pulled the forms off kind of early because we need to get the wood off of it. We needed wood for boarding this place up. And here as well. Didn't get 100% done because some of this is where a little CR is going to be built right here, and the staircase coming up. But it's pretty amazing. It is really coming together. And tomorrow is the final day that we're here, and it's the final build day as well. I told you we're going to run it to the last drop. And you see, it's about to turn dark, and I'm burning the late hour midnight coal again. Yeah, I'm going to burn the midnight coal, as they used to say. Well, I can't stay up too late tonight because I need to be rested and ready to go early in the morning and head to the city. I need to be there really early. So I'm gonna conclude this day. It's been a joyous day. Tomorrow I'm gonna do drone flyovers of all of it and everything all cleaned up, and we'll get that out in a separate video to everyone. Now when we leave here, just remember, this isn't the end of our vlog. We were not a build vlog. This vlog was going before this house ever started, and the house has just been a wonderful part of the vlog, and everything all of you have done to make this channel so great. I mean, I could just start trying to name names, but I've got so many out there. If I name one person and then forgot another or didn't say another, I wouldn't want anyone to feel less important. So I'm not going to say anybody's name, but all of you out there that are always sharing the just back-to-back wonderful comments and taking the time to do that and to write me and share things and all, man, I tell you. And just you out there that are just watching and silent viewers that never even comment at all, and all of them thumbs up that I'm always getting, thank you. And if you didn't do a thumbs up, I appreciate it, but you're out there watching, and that's still great also, every one of you. You know, it's been a great journey, and there's more to come, so continue to follow us. I'll just really ask, continue to follow us. You have been the greatest subscribers that's come aboard with us, that a man and a wife couple trying to share their lives could ask for. I mean, y'all give us some pretty good praise, but we're gonna give you some praise back. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are a great crew out there to have watching this. I'm gonna close out the evening because I gotta continue being busy and then get down off of here. God bless, take care, and we'll see you on the next one.